I can't believe how bad of orders I'm taking today, but we're gonna take them. Hello, 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 and we are back with another Cruisin' with Corey. It is a Tuesday night. We don't expect much to happen, but we're here anyways. We see this offer on the screen. It's $13.75 for 8 miles. It's literally just for a Stanley Cup. I'm here with my boy Jovid. Jovid, should I take it?
What's up, Corey?
Should I take it? Should I take it? 14 bucks for one item for 8 miles.
Stack it with a DoorDash or Uber. I would take that.
We ball. Let's go for it. You know what? Maybe it'll be out of stock and we'll get $11 for doing nothing. That's our optimistic goal here. So we are on DoorDash. This will be like a 7-minute drive, even though it's 8 miles. So it is what it is. We got to make some kind of moolah. All right, Joe, and good luck, brother.
Oh, did you
I took it.
Did you stack it with something?
I don't have anything, but we'll see.
Hopefully you get something.
Yep, so we're just sitting in the parking lot, so that ain't fun, that ain't making money. This order is not profitable at all. It's not. So it's not a good order. Oh, here's a DoorDash. This DoorDash is going completely the wrong way, so that's going to be a no good. But yeah, we'll get this done as fast as we can. It is a stackable order because it's a cup. It's a Stanley Cup. It's not anything perishable, so if I had to make a detour, I'll make a detour. But hopefully it's out of stock. That's my hope, because then I can get paid like 11 bucks to barely drive. So we're already at Walmart and we'll be in and out in a jiff. Our first shop since coming back. Let's head in. The good news is they had it. The bad news is they had it. So now we actually have to shop for it and bring it all the way down to 8 miles. But we're up for the challenge.
Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.
Well, like I said, the good news is they had it. The bad news is they had it. So we'll get ourselves the money, but we'll have to make this trip. Puts money on the table. Need money. I mean, it puts us kind of in an area where we can make some money afterwards. You know, there's the downtown area. There's a lot of stuff down there. Albeit this time of year, it's not going to be as good, but whatever. 14 bucks. Let's roll. All right, that's dropped off. I don't know if you just saw the, hopefully I stitched it in there. Bruh. But the gorgeous part of town, right on the water here. People down here, they got some moolah to live here right on the beach. I'll try to snip in a little dash cam footage if it works. But yeah, so that's 14 bucks on the board. We're booked into DoorDash till 6:30, and being a Tuesday, I don't really see myself testing the waters much later than that. 3 to 12 minutes. It's saying here on the map. Do have Uber on, we have Spark on, you know, we got everything on that could be on. And again, you have to lower your standards in this new world of gig work. Like the order I just took, would never take it 6 months ago, 2 years ago, never. But I'm looking at things pragmatically. I'm looking at it from a time perspective. I don't know when I accepted that to here, but I guarantee it's less than 30 minutes that I just made $14. Yes, the miles suck, but time-wise, it works out. So, and I'm willing to accept that, willing to die by that sword. So, we're heading back. I do actually have to buy personal things at Walmart. And selling things on eBay lately. And I'm out of packing tape. And I'm out of bubble wrap, so we got to get some of that. But let's hope we can make a little bit more money. It's quiet. I don't like quiet. I like loud. I like loud because loud means there's money going in my pocket. So I'll let you know what I get if I get it. No, what is that saying? I gotta get, what are my sayings again? I'll let you know what I get when I get it, if I get it at all. All right, just took another shop. Again, not good. 14 bucks, 4 miles, about 13 items. The only kicker to it, besides the fact that it's easy, is the fact that there is an incentive going on for 3 shops today, and I just did one. I'll get $21. So
Car, that would've been
that
a
basically
45.
means I have to stay out as long as possible and do whatever other shop comes up, because that'll give me another $21. So this shop should be super easy, and it's relatively close. It'll probably kill the rest of my DoorDash shift off. So, but we're not getting any DoorDashes, so that really doesn't matter. But let's hop in. This is a very low paying shop, no tip, so we have to get it done as quickly as possible. Therefore, I ain't gonna record it. Y'all know what the inside of a Walmart looks like. I don't need to record that. I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, so that order is dropped off. Hopefully my night lighting is okay now. I have this new faux sophisticated lighting system in here. It's a little ring light thingy that goes on my car. Well, it goes on my phone, or it clips on anywhere that it clips. Goodbye present from my last job, if you want to call it that. But that leaves us 2 shops in. We are at a what have we done? 14 plus 13. So basically we're at $28 in like roughly an hour and a half. Again, this is grim. But we have the blessing to know that if we get another order, I'll have to figure this out. We have the blessing to know if we get another order that we get another $21, and another order is coming in right now. It's a shop. It's $13. It's 3.8 miles. And it's 9 items. And it requires customer verification. It is nothing difficult. You know, we're gonna take it. I can't believe how bad of orders I'm taking today, but we're gonna take them. Oh, we got a Katie's Burger Bar. Oh, we're trying to worry about stacking now. No, I can't go that way. At this point, I'd rather take this Spark order. There was a $12 food delivery going in a different direction. But at this point, I'd rather have the surefire $21 incentive. So we're on our way back to Walmart. 9 items. It should literally be a 20-minute shop start to finish. And after that, we'll see what happens. It's Tuesday night, so it's gonna die off quick, but maybe we can pull something off. So I know I have this ghost lighting. I'll have to figure something out, but luckily summertime's coming up soon, so I won't have to worry about this for too long. I do have this other light too that I bought off the good old Temu or Temu, take your pick. It is a lot brighter if I could turn it on. It's a lot brighter. It's a lot brighter. But the problem is it's too bright. And I have astigmatism. So if something is too bright, oh yeah, see, that's really good for the camera. But the problem is I'm driving. Yeah, that's really good for the camera. I guess I'll have to deal with it. It's good for the camera, but it's too bright to the point where it's like I can't be blinded while I'm driving. So I'll have to like find a way to make that work. But summertime is coming up where we won't have to deal with it for much longer. Enough rambling. Let's go shop for these items. All right, again, 4 minutes in the store. 4 measly little minutes spent shopping. Lost my light. Oh well, it's in here somewhere. But again, that's just a different strategy ploy you can play. Is need some kind of light. Eee. Ooh. Sitting by the campfire telling a story. It's a strategy ploy. Like, yes, do you want... Yes, I'm listening to a NASCAR podcast. Do you want to take $14 shopping orders? Absolutely not. My sweet spot is my 30-item shops that usually have a $20 to $25 base pay with a $10 tip. because those are the sweet spots. $30 shops, let me crank them out. Not too big, not too far. Modest tip, let me crank those out all day long. But if you can't get those, second floor and the guys don't want it. If you can't get those, these are the next best guess. Let me crank out a shop, be in the store, be delivered in less than 15 minutes, and let me crank out 2 or 3 of those an hour. Because if you can do that, then you're in a good spot. And we're also in a good spot because there's an Uber Eats that's going relatively close to home, and hopefully that max surges. But this is going to be it for today. We're going to bang this out and just look for a go home order. But I'll take you with me for this final ride. We'll vaguely calculate the numbers and we'll summarize our findings. About 6 minutes to this drop off. Oh, wait, let there be light. Hold on, hold on. Don't change the video. Don't change the video. I will get light. I will let you see me. I think, where did I throw that damn light? Here it is. Light, let me talk to you. There it is. Yeah, so I didn't bring the camera in because that was going up a second set of stairs. I don't have my little magnet thingy that I wear around my neck today. But yeah, that one required a PIN number. And it was a husband. He's like, what's the PIN number? I'm like, I don't know. It's like, my wife ordered it. My wife didn't tell me anything. And I'm like, bro, I feel you, but I need a PIN number. So after about 3 or 4 minutes, she responded, gave him the PIN, we got our stuff. So I am gonna go drive to Walmart myself right now because I actually need some stuff, personally. And if we get something, we get something, but we're not gonna go crazy looking for it. If we don't get it, we'll go right home. So on the assumption I don't get anything, here's the number. I know I did 42 this morning, 39 if I count the incentive, probably right around the 100 with the incentive. I don't like counting an incentive into my daily pay, but it is what it is. I mean, it is money. So mileage was definitely not what I wanted. There goes my light, but it is what it is. So we'll see if there's bonus footage. I doubt it, but
why you always lying?
Ah, you can't see me again. I guess we're just playing hide and seek today. But either way, whenever you can see me, we got bonus footage, as our old pal Chuckster would say. We got this Grubhub. I could not turn that on. It was just so juicy, that I just had to scoop it up. $9 for about 3 miles. Yes, I know where I'm going, Siri Maps lady.
Right onto Commerce Road.
I don't know why I have the text on, the voice on, the words on. But yeah, 9 for 3. This will put us, again, if you told me coming into today I would make 2 orders on Grubhub and 0 on DoorDash, I would have said you're crazy. All right, so what do you guys like? Do you like the campfire scary stories better? Or do you like the I'm blinded while I'm driving better? Let me know. Because I like safety, but I also like a quality video, so I guess I gotta pick one in this scenario. Go make 10 more bucks, and surprisingly, we'll pull off a decent earnings here tonight for a very slow Tuesday. So, you know, sometimes, you know, dedication works off, pays off, does stuff. Words, English. All right, let's go. All in all, gig world, after about 3 to 6 months off, is about what I expected it to be. It's slower. Tips aren't good, but it is what it is. So we'll be out for some more, but I want to thank everyone for tuning in, and like, share, comment, subscribe. We're growing this slowly, but we're having fun doing it, and let's see if we can bring some more friends along for the ride. This is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.